welcome to Darvanalee Designs Studio. It is Saturday, so it is Saturday in the studio with Nicole. I can't even get that out. So basically, it's the day that I generally unbox all my stuff and see what I've got. I know that I order a lot of things for my craft and whatnot. I set them aside to the end of the week and then I open them all up at once. So today we have another diamond painting opening. As you can see, I have done a little bit of shopping. This one is from Fan Sales. They are a UK company. I'll leave a link down below. They are reasonably priced, and so I went down the rabbit hole of searching their website and got a few things. Alright, so I'm going to open this up and see what we've got. I've already cut it open, so there will be a little bit of rustling. I do apologise for that. So let's see what I've got. And I think I need to open it a little bit more. Okay, so as I said, these ones have come from Fan Sales. And as you can see, I got a few. They're really reasonably priced as well. Oh, dear me. I believe in this one I got a couple of frozen ones. Alright, so we can get rid of that packet, and then I've got a packet within a packet. So we'll have a look at what I've got. Alright, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 I've purchased. Now, most of these ones were around the $7.95 mark. I believe they had a special on time at the time when I was, I think pretty sure there was a special on. So, I did, as I said, I got a couple of frozen ones. I'm not going to open up every packet, but I can see that the diamonds are in there. And this one is a frozen one. It is Anna and Elsa standing together with, what's his name, the snowman? Olaf. I had to think then. You think I'd know. I've seen it so many times. So we've got that one. Not that you can really see that picture, but we might just open them up and have a look, hey? Get a better idea. Alright. Problem is I've got to get them back into the packages. Wow. So this is a full coverage one. It is a round drill. So these are, I've not done a round one before, so these will be really good. And I was thinking that I'd be able to do some of these with, you know, sit down with Mia and do some for her. So you can see there that that is a nice size. It is a 30 by 40, I believe. Yep, 30 by 40. So these are ones that I'm going to get framed in a nice white frame and put up on her wall because she's right into frozen at the moment. It comes with its tray and everything else we need. So that's good. Alright, that's that one. I'm going to have the arduous task of packing these all up. Alright, now what's this one? I can't actually see it. Oh, this one I got for Lee. Because she's just recently got a little cat named Arlo, and it's a little black cat. And I seen this and I thought that looked like Arlo. So again, everything's packed up nice and neat. It's a round drill one. It's a 30 by 40. And it is, I think it was called Autumn Cat. I'll have to look that up. But yeah, that's gorgeous. So she'll enjoy doing that. It is a full coverage one. So she'll have a lot of fun doing that. When she gets bored, I can just hand it to her and then she can get it framed for her room. She's a bit of a cat girl. Alright, let's see what else. I am so not looking forward to packing these up. Okay, so this one is 35 by 45. And I cannot see what it is. So it's a mystery one, that's right. They had a special on that you could get a mystery one. So I actually don't know what this is. There's no picture. That's interesting. Okay, so is there a picture inside maybe? Who knows? I'll have to do this one as a paint with me if it doesn't, so then we can find out together. Oh, this one doesn't even want to come out. Okay, so it is in black and white, not in colour, so you can't really tell, but it does have some beautiful colours in it. Look at those colours. That's amazing. Alright, and as you can see, it's just given me the colour list, and I can't even make out what it is. Like, It looks like to be a flower or something in there. So what do you think? We'll make this as a paint with me. I might start this as the next one, and yeah, we'll do it as a paint with me, and we'll find out together what it is. That's amazing. All right, so we have a mystery one there. Or that's right, I remember they were doing a thing where you could get a mystery diamond painting. So that's awesome. And that was only I'm pretty sure that was only $7.95 too. And I ordered these ages ago. I ordered these it would have been just before Christmas on that. So and they came last week, but I wanted to do an unboxing for you. All right, so this one is like a Mardi Gras lady. So as some of you know, I have spoken about this before. I like doing like the Day of the Dead and Mardi Gras and like your mystic stuff and all that sort of stuff. So that's my jam. That's what I like to do. Like I'm always drawn to those sort of things, even when I'm searching for them. Unless I'm doing getting something for someone else, I'll go to something that they're interested in. But for myself, I'm sort of into this sort of stuff. So she looks really, really pretty. I'm just looking at it on the camera, and you can really see it. So I'm looking forward to doing this one. It's a little bit different than what I do. Still, it's full of the dark colors like I normally do. So, yeah. Alright, let me just move the ones that I haven't opened over here. Oh, it looks like I've got two mystery ones. Oh, look at that. And I'll put the open ones over there. Get a little bit of organisation happening up here. Alright, this one here looks to be one that I've got for myself as well. Excuse me. Oh, the picture is really small. Alright, so this is like she looks like a dragon goddess by the looks of it. Not that you can, there you go, you can see it a little bit better there. Alright, so on the camera I can see her really clearly. I can see the picture and all the rest of it. She's stunning. I'm looking forward to doing her. I really fell in love with that one when I seen it. So a lot of these won't get put up on the wall. Some of them will. I'm taking a leaf out of Gail Phillips's book. And I think it was she got it from somewhere else, and I can't remember who it was now. Getting a art portfolio and just putting the ones that I'm not putting up on the wall into that. So I can still do them, and I don't have to worry about using up all my wall space. Some of them I'm going to frame and put up on the wall. This one doesn't want me to get into it. The glue is amazing. Alright, so this one is a Rose Queen. I had this one in a partial and I didn't like it in the partial, so I haven't done it. I just didn't like the way that it was done. So I got that one off AliExpress, or actually was that a gift? I think that was a gift actually, but I didn't really like that it didn't have the background. I'm not a fan of the partials. For little things like journals and stuff like that, yeah, fair enough, but for something like this I'd rather do a full coverage. So basically it is a girl, and she has roses all around her, and she's sniffing a dark rose, whether it be black or dark brown, I'm not too sure. Again, these are all round, and this one is a 30 by 40 as well. Most of the ones that I got from fan sales were around this size. I really don't know what I'm going to do with all the trays. Alright, this one looks to be like a frozen one, although there is no picture on this one either. It's got 26 colours in it. And it's a big one. Yes, this is a frozen. So this one is actually a landscape. It's come with two trays, and it's got a ton, like a beautiful blues and everything in that. You can see that there. All right, we'll pop that aside, and this is the picture. So again, it is this one Elsa? Yeah. I don't know. I watch all these movies and I forget all the princesses' names. So anyway, that is Elsa. You can see that nice and clear just there. And this one is in a landscape. So this one will go above her bed. And as I said, some of them I'll do with her. Some of them I won't. And Gail sent up a lovely, some kindness the other day for her as well. So I'll show that on another video though. So yeah, that's a nice one. I like the look of that. Lots of blues in that one. Most of my other pieces have never had this clear plastic on it. It's always been the tape, so it's going to be interesting working with some of these larger pieces and whatnot. Alright, so that is that one. I'm probably going to do that one by myself actually, because that is for above her bed. And then there is this one. It's the same again, but a different scene. It's another Frozen one. She really likes Elsa, so she likes Anna too. She likes having her hair done like Anna, but she likes to be like Elsa. Alright, so this one, as you can see there, is just Elsa looking off into the distance. So this one's in portrait. And again, it's got all those beautiful blue colours in it, and it comes with a tray. And this one is, how big is this one? Oh, okay. Doesn't actually say anywhere by the looks of it. This one looks to be about a 50 by 40. It's usually the size that I do for my personal ones, like all my Day of the Deads and all the rest of it. Alright, the next one is, which is not open, so let me just grab my scissors. And of course they're on the other side of the studio. Alright, let's have a look at this one. I like how they came like this, so I think that's better than their little sleeves. Ooh. This one doesn't have a picture on it, does it? Yes. This one is, this one I'm doing for my my best friend. And it is two girls with their hair entwined, because we've known each other for a long time, and I'm going to do this and get it framed for her room. I've always had sort of blondish, brownish sort of hair, and she's always had dark hair, so it's sort of suited, and it's got flowers and all that sort of stuff. So I'm looking forward to doing that. This one is a 40 by 50, but so that Elsa one that we just opened is about the same size. So this one I'm actually doing for her, and as I said, I'm going to get it framed, and yeah, and basically send that down to her for a Christmas present this year. So I will definitely doing a paint with me on that one, and yeah. Alright, so that's not going to go in there, so I'm not even going to bother. And the next one is another mystery one. So I must have bought two of them, and hopefully they're not two of the same, so I guess we'll find out. I'll be able to tell by the layout sort of where the flowers were on the other one. So they did say that you would, if you ordered multiple, you wouldn't get the same. The colours look a bit different as well. So, and this one looks different. This one actually looks like it's got a lot of flowers in it, actually. I could be completely wrong. These are going to be really interesting to do. So I'm going to do a couple of paint with me's, but I'll probably just film these as I'm going, and then do like a start to finish time-lapse one, so you can see it coming together. But I'll definitely do one as a paint with me. Alright, so that is all the stuff that I got from fan sales. I will endeavour to find all the links for those, and I'll probably just put the link to the website. There is no affiliate links or anything like that. I'm not associated with them or anything. I probably should have said that at the beginning. But yeah, as you can see, they are a really good price. They come with everything that you need. Of course, most of you probably already have a massive toolkit anyway. So yeah, so that I'm looking forward to getting them done. You'll see quite a few of these being filmed and uploaded for time lapses, and some of them will be also paint with me's. Well, thank you so much for joining me again this Saturday in the studio. Have a great week, everybody, and I'll see you all again next week for another unboxing. Bye for now.